So this video is a detailed tutorial of how I achieved this butterfly hairstyle, which is generally classified in the Igbo bridal hairstyle. So if you're interested in this tutorial, please stay till the end of this video. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. Please like this video, comment and share to your family and friends. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chibuzo Irebute, and in this video I'll be showing us how I achieved this butterfly hair updo, which is also an Igbo bridal hairstyle. So first thing was to part the hair and tie it into a little bun so that I'll be able to insert my hair bun in it and secure it with some bobby pins. Using the lush hair extension, I'm going to be brushing the hair one after the other to avoid flyaways and to give me a smooth surface so that while placing and securing the extensions, I won't have to bother about flyaways and a rough work. So I'm going to be using my tail comb to smoothen the surface so that once I secure anyone, none of the hairs will fly away and none of them would be rough. And I will be doing this repeatedly until I get the desired result I need in this hairstyle. So I would let you concentrate on the video. So once there is a rough edge, I use my oil SHEEN and my tail comb to smoothen the surface And then the oil sheen also helps in shining the hair while styling it. So if you look closely, you would see how I'm holding the other end down. I'm holding it down tightly while I brush the hair, so that once I lay it, it will be smooth and there won't be any flyaways. So this is a close look of how I secure the hair tightly with my bobby pins. After the styling, all you need to do is use a scissors and then trim the edges, trim every excess hairs around the hairstyle. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and let us know on the comment section what you think about the video. If you are new on this channel, please don't fail to subscribe. Do it now. Do it. Subscribe, ring the notification bell to be notified on our next video, and do not fail to come back whenever you are being notified. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.